How do I reset my Cycle Pro Go or PeakDay password? This video is intended for Cycle Pro Go users moving over to PeakDay. If you are a new user to PeakDay and do not have a Cycle Pro Go account, please watch the Getting Started video instead. If you have been a previous user of the Cycle Pro Go app and now you want to move over to PeakDay, but you have forgotten your password or need to reset it, we can help. It is very simple. After you download and install the PeakDay app, go to the login screen on PeakDay, click on Forgot Username or Password. You will receive an email with instructions of how to reset your password or username. Once that process is complete, you will be able to log into PeakDay with your new password. What if you don't know or have access to the email associated with your Cycle Pro Go or PeakDay account? Can you still reset your password? Yes, you can still reset your password, but not using the reset password function just mentioned. An active email associated with your Cycle Pro Go account is needed. You can contact the office to help you out. They can tell you the email address associated with your account, or they can help you change the email address and at the same time, reset your password. Call, email, or chat live with us if you have forgotten or no longer have access to your email associated with your Cycle Pro Go account. What if you want to update your password in PeakDay? Even easier! Inside the PeakDay app, go to Settings, General Settings, and you can change your password. If you do not know your current password, please log out and click on Forgot Username or Password and follow the instructions sent to your email. Your data and security are important to us too. If you have any questions, we are here to help. Visit www.peakday.com and go to the Contact Us page to email, call, or chat live with us. We are happy to help get you started.